I'm sure you've all encountered the disconnection of the sewing machine. Usually, there are two cases of broken thread. One is that the suture is broken by force, and the other is that the suture passes through the mechanical part and is broken by friction with its surface burrs. First of all, our first step must be to check whether the sutures are threaded correctly. If the thread is worn incorrectly, it will definitely cause disconnection. Next, we check the installation direction and position of the needle again. First of all, the key point is to check whether the needle tip of the machine needle has burrs. Then, when the needle is installed, it is a hook slot with front and back sides, which must be to the right. Then it must be in place when installing. At the same time, please check the needle model number. First, we turn the nose over to check the rotors. The hook line of this whirl is in this place. It cannot have burrs, otherwise it will also cause disconnection. Then immediately we have to check the overline and offline hook of the whirl. In this place, the hole must be smooth and free of burrs. If we find burrs, we can use sandpaper to grind or replace them. About the broken thread. In addition to the above situations, there are actually many more involved. For example, when we are running at high speed. There is also a situation where the needle rubs against the fabric and heats up, causing the thread to be blown. Then we can reduce the speed of the machine appropriately to solve the problem. Also, when the suspension shuttle is running at high speed, poor oil supply causes hot rotors. In this case, it will also be easy to break thread. And the stitches used in our factory, if some sutures have color, for example, the black thread is more likely to break than the white thread. So in addition to the above, it is one of the rotors that is hooked with the needle. An adjustment. The above situation is the empirical analysis of conventional disconnection.